Charts in Excel Part 2, Chapter number 8, Standard 10. In a previous video, we learned about how to create a chart, how to changing a chart type, selecting a data series, data elements and elements of the chart, right? Suppose elements of chart, we learned about that what is chart area, what is chart wall, next what is x-axis, y-axis legends. Now today we are going to learn about what is formatting and modifying chart, how to format and modifying the chart in a Calc. First of all, modifying the place and size of the chart. When a chart is created, it assumes the default appearance and placement, usually in a current worksheet. Sometimes you do not like location of the chart or size of the chart. Same as the image. Sometimes image the location is not. Sometimes in any documents you insert an image. So you do not like a location of that image or size. Then you can change the size of that image. Same as for the any chart, you can change the location and size of that chart. You can move the wall chart by selecting it with just left click and dragging into the desired position. What you want to first select just left click and dragging into the desired position. You may copy it, cut it and paste at new locations. Similarly, you can resize the chart by selecting the chart and dragging it using a mouse through its handle. Same as C. That type of symbols is appear here. You can select and change the size of that chart. Modify chart type. To modify the chart type, perform the menu command, format and then chart type. First of all, go to the format and then go to the chart type. Alternatively, you may press the chart type icon on the chart formatting toolbar as shown in the figure. You can see the symbol above the figure. First is the chart symbol. So you can click on that chart symbol. Otherwise, click on the format and chart type. The chart formatting toolbar appears when you select the chart. It used to format the typical chart elements such as the chart area, chart data series, chart axis which is of x or y axis, chart title, etc. like a legends. You may directly right click on the chart, modify its type. When you right click, a small vertical menu appears with a possible operation you can perform at the current stage. First of all, how to modify the chart type. See, chart area, format selection, click on that icon and change the type of chart. Formatting chart area. Okay, we know that this wall area is known as a chart area. The chart covered the area, wall area, which is known as a chart area in a Calc. After selecting chart element, next step is format selection. In a figure, format selection is highlighted. See, format selection, chart area, chart wall. If you want change any of that, then click on that. Suppose x-axis title, chart wall, chart floor, then click on that icon. Next, this will allow us to format the selected chart element by providing suitable dialog box. The dialog box in a figure. First, see, go to the format menu, then format selection, go to the chart area. Then three types of menu option is available. First is a border, area and transparency. Okay, now borders, there is some styles in a borders, colors of border, width and transparency of the border, and click on that OK menu. Suppose you want to change the area, then click on area and then click on transparency. It allows us to format the border, area of chart and transparency of filled color. The borders are by default invisible. However, you can make them visible. You can also select border styles such as a continuous line, dotted line, thick line, etc. from that icon style and choose different types of line or a border like a dotted line, thick line, continuous line. The area of chart can also be filled with various colors, gradients or bitmap image with a different transparency levels. If you do not want to fill uniform color in a chart area, you may wish to give a gradient to the colors in a linear, radial or axial direction. Next, formatting title to the axis. Now, in a charts there is mainly three types of axis is available, x, y or z. But mainly we see two types of axis in a chart, which is a x-axis or one is a y-axis. Horizontal line display the x-axis and vertical line display the y-axis. To add the title to x-axis and y-axis, you can perform the following action. First of all, select the wall chart. Select the chart. You can select the chart formatting toolbar as shown in a figure. Select x-axis title as an element to be formatted from toolbar. Next, press format selection button. You will see a dialog box called x-axis title, which we learn in a practical. First of all, let's see a brief description about it. First, click on the chart, then click the format selection button and then click on the x-axis titles. Fill the necessary field in the dialog box. Using the facility of formatting, you can provide the information about various attributes of the x-axis title, such as the border of the area of title of the x-axis, title font, font effect and alignment. See, this is the window page will appear when you click on the x-axis title. There's different types of menu appear here: border, area, transparency, font, font effect, alignment. Suppose you want to change the font effect on x-axis title, then click on the font effect, which is the first is a font color, then relief, outline, shadow, overlining, strike through, underlining. That type of modifying option is available on that x-axis title. Whatever you want, then click on that button and then press OK. And otherwise you can also click on reset button to change the effect. Formatting the chart wall. Now, chart wall. The chart wall can be modified by selecting option from the toolbar and selecting format selection. First of all, go to the toolbar and then selecting format selection. Same for above. The dialog box allows you to change the border properties such as invisible or visible borders, types of border, colors of border, thickness of border. We also change the area color and degree of transparency of the wall color. Next is formatting the chart floor. Chart floor is the base of our chart, so which is known as a chart floor. Now, how to format the chart floor? The chart floor can be modified by selecting option from the toolbar and selecting format selection. You may select the chart formatting option by selecting chart, right clicking on the chart floor and selecting the chart floor option from pop-up menu. Formatting data series. When the chart is ready, click on any column of the data series. Suppose if you select a single red column, you may notice that all red color columns are activated. This represents the data series. Suppose you want to click on a blue column, then you may notice that all the blue colors columns are activated. So it all represent as a data series. You can select appropriate tab such as a layout, area filling, transparency level, etc. In the next figure, you can see that we are changing the appearance of the area by changing the fill color from red to yellow. Let's see. See. Suppose this chart column data series test to marks. This is the first red color. If you want to change that data series color, then click here data series and then area and change the color and then press OK. First of all, second is inserting a data labels. Enter a data labels along with every data column in the chart. Suppose you want to enter an actual value along with the chart component such as a column, then just activate data series and press right click. After that, you can select the insert data labels. In this figure, you can see that the data labels are already inserted. See encircled number with blue line in a figure. See 30, 33, 42. These are working example. Let's create one more chart or a different type. Consider the data as follow. First of all, making a table in a Calci, that's with 2 rows and 5 columns here. First is a movie type, values in a percentage, that 2 rows. Action, comedy, drama, science fiction or other values is available for that. So first of all, let's make that type of table, then enter a data as shown in a figure, save it with appropriate name. Select insert, then chart, as we can insert a chart in a previous videos. So that same follow the rules and that type of chart is making. First, choose a 3D look and simple chart. you can see the chart as shown in the figure. Suppose you want to make a pie chart, then that type of chart is available. When you firstly insert a chart, pie chart, then that yellow part is merged. So when that time 30, 15, 20, 35 option or a data labels is not visible on our chart. When you drag that yellow part or otherwise another part, then that data labels is appear on your chart. So you cannot see the data labels in your chart as well as drama category not pulled out. So to add the data labels and to pull out the drama category, select the chart. You may see the grey border surrounding it here. Right click the chart, which causes the vertical menu appears to you. You can see the values along with the chart. To pull out any portion, just select the area using the mouse key and drag the area in a desired position. Suppose you want to drag that part, then click that part and drag here. Another formatting with format selection option. Now, adding a hyperlink to the chart. Hyperlink is a link when we want to connect with the internet. So how to adding a hyperlink to the chart? For any type of hyperlink, you must have a chart. So you have to create chart first. Follow the steps to create a hyperlink to the web document. First of all, enter a data and create a chart of suitable type. Verify the chart and select it using the mouse key. First of all, select the chart. Next, select insert and then hyperlink. First of all, making a table, then making a chart, and select that chart and then go to the insert and then go to the hyperlink. It will offer 4 options regarding the destination of the link. Okay, that 4 option is available when you click on the hyperlink option. By default, first option is internet is highlighted, and as a target you may give the destination URL such as a google.com. You are supposed to have an internet connection. Then if you want to experiment the link, see. When you click on the hyperlink, 4 options is available. First is the internet, second is a mail and news, third is a document, fourth is a new document. If everything goes right, the chart will lead you to the Google's main page when clicked. Okay, first option is internet is highlighted, target here. Okay, target, which is the hyperlink or any web link like from google.com, and then it is corrected, then press Ctrl plus enter and you move to that link. Then click on apply button, use close button to close the dialog box. Now linking a chart to a mail. See, our next option is a mail and news. Now linking a chart to a mail. If you want to connect the chart to the mail and news, you need to select a mail and news option. You will see a different dialog box. You need to provide the information about the receiver and subject to the mail. The chart will be queued for mailing to receiver's address when you select the apply option. However, this process remains offline and requires a mail client set as a background mail client like a Gmail. Similarly, for news option, you need to configure the news server and choose a close button at the end. Now, when you click on the mail and news, receiver and subject, receivers like a mail ID of the receivers. So click on that or type the receiver's ID and subject and then apply. Next, linking a chart to a document. To link your chart to a document, you have to choose a third option, which is a document. Suppose you created one document and another format you created a chart. When you want to merge both your chart and the document, then how to link a chart with that document? So third option is a document. Here path option is available. Choose the path from the browse files. Otherwise type the path and then press apply. Then you have a small chart prepared which is further explained in a details in another document. In this situation, for further explanation, you may link your chart to the other documents. In the path, the location of the destination documents are mentioned. You can browse the document if you do not remember the complete path of the document using the browse button given beside the path text box, which indicate here. You can also provide the target with target option. It's not necessary to provide the target, so skip that part. At last, choose apply option. At the end, use a close button. Next, Linking a chart to a new document. When you want to linking a chart with new document, then fourth option is available, which is a new document. To link the selected chart to a new document, you can choose a fourth option. You can provide the file name, file type, spreadsheet, word processor, drawing, etc. Suppose your type of file is a drawing, then choose the type is a drawing. The file once created is now available to edit, as the edit now option is selected by default. If you do not want to edit it, you may choose the edit later option. At the end, choose apply option, use close button to close the dialog box. Let's see. Fourth is a new document, edit now and edit later. Now choose the type of your file, like a presentation, spreadsheet, anything, and then click OK and then apply button. Now exporting a chart and other option. Now you want to export a chart. There are two types of option is available. Export a chart in a XHTML and second option is a PDF. Want to make a export a chart in a PDF format, then first of all select, then go to the file menu and then export button. You may see the screen as shown in the figure. You will see two options such as export the file as a XHTML or a PDF. Choose a PDF, save the file in a desired location. See PDF and then save. When you give your choice as a PDF, you can see a dialog box as shown in a figure. Options are available such as the numbers of pages, format images, etc. can be set. If you have selected a range of pages that you wanted to export, content of only the given number of pages will be exported into the resulting PDF document. The default range is all the pages of the document. Further, the images of the documents are saved in a JPEG format. Select the create PDF option. If it is not selected, you may choose the export button directly. So your document with the chart is exported in a PDF form. See, when you select a PDF option, then that type of menus is available. First is a general, which ranges all pages selection. Suppose you want to selected page, then go to the selection option, then images in a JPEG format, create a PDF format or export bookmarks and then go to the export menu. Then your chart is exported in a PDF form. Now copying the chart and deleting the chart. Same as the image. When you click on the image, right click on the image and go to the copy and paste option or cut option, same as for the chart. So copying the chart, choose the chart, right click and choose copy or cut option. You may go to the edit menu, choose required option also, go to the destination document and use paste command. Save the destination file. Same for the deleting chart. To delete the chart, simply select the chart and press delete button. Printing the chart. Choose file or print option and click on the OK button. Different types of suppose you have a different type of printer available, then click on the printer, then print range like a selected cells, all sheets, all pages, numbers of copies, and then click on the OK button. Now inserting other multimedia objects.